Let's take a look at the controls. A lot of these are the same settings we saw on the original compressor when we went over it, but I'll quickly go over them and how they are applied on this compressor. The attack is how fast or slow the compressor will open. Fast attack acts quick, but it might be too quick to get a good compression. We can see that if the attack is down, the needle moves faster. The more we turn it down, the slower it moves. So if we had a lot of sounds going, we might want it to be a bit faster so the compressor has time to work. Or we can slow this down some, but too slow might make the sound too muddy, making something like a kick not be as punchy. The release is how long it takes for the compressor to close. Once again, this is all based on preferences and the sound used. Somewhere in the middle usually works best. There's also an auto setting that will calculate the best release time if turned to that. All we have to do is turn the knob all the way to the right.